Team Puti, Team Kahoy ka ba? Kung Team Puti, Team Kahoy ka, ito ang bahay na para sa iyo. At ito ang living room na very spacious.
Dining area for 6 seaters, pwedeng pang family, no? So maganda, elegant and dating. This is the kitchen with a built-in cabinet and then pull-out tray. Yan. Use for your kitchen use. This is the countertop. So kasama na ito yung countertop. And then this space for two-door rack. And then this pantry area.
At ito ang lanay area na kung saan ay pwede kang mag-relax.
The service area, the kitchen, laundry area. So big space na